There are two medications given for ovulation induction, which is the release of egg, letrozole and clomiphene, both of which are a little confusing. Patients are not aware why their fertility specialist is selecting one over the other. Let's try to understand these medications. Hi, I am Dr. Suvarchala, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Ovulation induction treatment is widely used to help women who are not ovulating regularly, and this helps them to get pregnant. Medications like letrozole and clomiphene citrate are commonly prescribed to stimulate ovulation and improve the chances of such women. What is ovulation induction? We have to understand, because how is it done is mainly what confuses patients. This is a fertility treatment that stimulates the ovaries to release eggs. First of all, eggs are grown with the medication and we can also release them. The egg then goes and waits in the tubes and pregnancy is a little more easier. It is commonly recommended for women with irregular periods, anovulation, or conditions like PCOS. Why is it done? Like I said, women who don't ovulate regularly and do not conceive naturally can opt for this option. This treatment helps regulate ovulation and increases the chance of fertilization, because when the egg releases, waits in the tubes, we are also aware that it is in the tube. We can then plan either timed intercourse or IUI depending on the treatment options. So first of all, clomiphene citrate. How does it work? It's a commonly used medication for ovulation inductions. It blocks estrogen receptors in the brain. It stimulates the release of FSH and LH hormones. Now, what does it mean? The estrogen which is released, the brain thinks that it's not there because estrogen brings down the release of FSH and LH. So the brain thinks estrogen is not there and starts to release FSH and LH hormones, which are reproductive hormones, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. This in turn promotes follicle growth and ovulation. It may affect uterine lining and cervical mucus is what studies say. Therefore, not many fertility specialists are now opting for clomiphene citrate. So the drug, the wonder drug now being used is letrozole. This is an aromatase inhibitor. It reduces the estrogen production temporarily. So what happens is, again, the brain thinks that estrogen has come down, so let me release FSH. Thereby, FSH levels in your body increase, which supports follicle development and helps in ovulation rates. So once the egg is of the right size, we can trigger it or release it. Then it comes into the tubes. It has advantages because it is known to bring about better endometrial lining growth and has very few side effects. Now, which is better? Letrozole is preferred for PCOS patients. Higher ovulation rates are seen and pregnancy rates with letrozole are better. Clomiphene citrate is useful in certain infertility cases only. The doctor chooses based on patient condition. So that's why it's better to leave the decision to your fertility specialist. How do you decide whether you need ovulation induction or not? Women with PCOS, irregular menstrual cycles, anovulation, unexplained infertility should go for ovulation induction, because then treatment processes which are simple can be offered to them. What's the process? Medication is started early in the cycle around day 2 or day 3. Ultrasound monitoring tracks follicle growth and timed intercourse or IUI may be advised, like I said. Success rate is also very good, but it depends on your age, ovarian reserve and underlying cause of infertility. Many women achieve pregnancy with proper treatment and monitoring. There are a few risks and side effects that you should know about. Multiple pregnancy rate with ovulation induction is high. Mild abdominal discomfort is also observed. Hormonal side effects can also be felt. These are usually manageable under medical conditions. You can consider IVF if ovulation induction treatment fails after several cycles, and IVF may be recommended for a better success rate. If you wish to know more details about ovulation induction, please feel free to contact us.